morning, students. Today we are going to start with a very interesting topic. When we started with the 3-digit numbers, what was the first lecture? It was about the counting the 3-digit numbers. Hope you remember that. Today we are going to do counting again, but this time it will be a backward counting. Have you ever tried yourself and did you walk backward? It is quite exciting, and you have to be very careful while you're walking backward. Let us start with the topic backward counting. Let us start today's lecture with this interesting rhyme. The rhyme is 5 little ladybugs climbing up a door. One flew away and there were 4. 4 little ladybugs sitting on a tree. One flew away, then there were 3. 3 little ladybugs landed on a shoe. One flew away, then there were 2. 2 little ladybugs looking for some fun. One flew away, and there was 1. 1 little ladybug sitting in the sun. One flew away, and there was none. And I know that you remember this, and remember the 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. So similarly, there are many rhymes that are related to backward counting, and I'm sure you must be knowing a few more than me. Okay, so counting from smaller to a bigger number is called forward counting, which we have already done in our previous lecture. But counting from a bigger to a smaller number is called backward counting. Like here it is shown from 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So from a bigger number to a smaller number. Let us write some numbers when we move from a smaller to a bigger number. Now this concept you are aware about it. So when we do it, how do we do? Let us start. Forward counting from 101. 101, the next number is 102. 103, 104. 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. It is forward counting. Now think, if you have to count from 110, that means from the bigger number to going towards the smallest one. Let us now count backward from a bigger number to the smaller number, starting from 110. 110, what is the number before? Remember, we have done before the concept of before. So 109, what number comes before 109? 108. Which number comes before 108? 107. 107. Before that, 106, 105, 104, 103, 102 and 101. This is quite similar to coming down the staircase. So this is backward counting. When we count backwards, we first look at the digit in the ones place. This is a very important rule, that whenever we are counting backward, we look at the digit at ones place. Now look, this number is 546, and look, Aparna ma'am has underlined 6, which is at ones place. Now when we are counting backward, so we are going to focus on this number, and we are going to count backward or subtract 1 from this position only. So what will happen? It will go from 6 to 5 to 4 to 3 to 1 to 2 and then to 1 and then to 0. So now the number will become from 546, the number will be 545. See, the change is there at the ones place only. The change is there at the ones place. Rest of the digits that are at tens place or hundreds place are kept intact. We are not touching them right now. So the number before will be 544. Before 544 is 543, and before 543 is 542, and before 542 is 541. I hope till here you are able to understand that backward counting is just the opposite of forward counting. In backward counting, we are, what are we doing? We are just changing the digits at ones place. Let us take another example. The number is 974. Now, when we do backward counting, what happens? From 974, so from ones place, from 4, it will go to 3. So 973, 972, 971 and 970. Now, very important thing, that when we reach 0, what will happen? What will be the next number? So when we go to 0, what happens is, we start from 9 and we go up to 1. We start from 9 and we go up to 1. So this will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now at this point, what happens is, the digit which is at tens place, this is the tens place digit, this digit will move one number backward. How? This digit will move one number backward. So here it is 7. So what number will come? 6. What will come? 6. So our counting will become like this: 974, 973, 972, 971, 970, 969. See, after 0, 9 at ones place, and 7 has shifted to 6. This is what I was saying, that when 9 will come, the digit at ones place will also just go one step backward. Let's do a few questions here and fill up the empty boxes. We start from the first one. The number is 359. So this digit we are going to make shift to. So what will come? 358. A number before 357. A number before is 356. A number before is 355 and 354. Now when we are writing a number before, we are already saying that this is backward counting. Let us do the another question. 839. Now see, 9 is here. So what we will write here? 838. What will be the number before? 837. Now you can see there is a change here at ones place. Next number will be 836 and the number will be 835. Then what will come here? 834. I hope you are doing this question with me. Let us do the next part, C part. 236. Now we have 6 at ones place. So we will make sure that we are shifting this number one step down. So 236, what will be the next number? A number before? 235. See? 6 and then 5. So what will come here? 4. So 234. What will be the next one? 4. So what will I write here? 3. So the number will be 233 and then 232 and then 231. What about this number? This is 113. So backward counting with 13. 13, 12, 11, 10. So this is 112. Next 111. 110. Now 0 is here. Now what will I do? I will put 9 instead of 0. This one will go down one step. So what comes before 1? It's a 0. So 109, which is 109. Now 109. So 108. Hope this is clearer to you. Let us do the next part. 996. 996. So 900. Now we are going to do it quickly. I am sure you know it. Speak before me. 995. 994. I know I am not writing in a good handwriting, but this is how I can write. 993. Next one. 992. Then 991. Yippee! I'm sure you have done before me. Let's do this one now. This is 1 here. So the number before will be in the 480. Now 0 is come. So let's quickly make 0. 9 and 8 will become 7. 479. And you know what? If we hide this 4, we can understand that 80 and then backward counting is 79. So 478, 477, 476. So all correct. Now let us do another questions. We are going to attempt this and fill the empty boxes. The number is 789. 789. So what will be the next one? That means in backward counting, what will be the next number here? The number will be 787. Then 786. Then 785. Let's do this one, 400. So here is the 0 and this is again 0. So what will happen? This 0 will become 9. Also this 0 will become 9. Now the digit at hundreds place is going to go one step down. So 4 will become 3. The number will be 399. So before 399, 398. Then 397. Let's move on to the next example. This question has 1 here. So a number before will be 210. Now the 0 rule. So the number will be 209 and the next number will be 208. Let's do this last number. What is it? Can you please read it for me? 103. 3. So what will come? 102. 2. So what will come? 101. Now 1 is there. What will come? 100. Dear students, practice as many questions as possible. Also, your holidays are approaching. So revise, recall all the concepts I have done with you so that when we meet after the break, you know each and every concept.